my top 5 favorite vegan protein sources, coming right up. Starting off with number 5, we are gonna go with quinoa. Now, quinoa is a great source of complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. If you guys don't know what essential means, it basically means that your body can't create them on its own, therefore you've gotta get it from an external source, and that's why quinoa is a great source of complete protein. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains 8 grams of complete protein, and it also contains 34% of your daily value of iron, 29% of your daily value of magnesium, and 18% of your daily value of zinc. And I wasn't just gonna give you guys all the facts without giving you a quick recipe that you can make. Now, a way that I like to make quinoa is to cook it, obviously, and then mix it with a bunch of veggies and then add a nice little dressing over it so you have a quinoa salad. And a dressing that I think would go really good with it is like a tahini lime dressing. So basically you need some tahini, some lime, a little salt, a little pepper, some spices, mix it all up, add it on top of that salad, and you got yourself a delicious plant-based meal. Now moving on to number 4, we got oats. Oats are a great source of fiber, and they are also a great source of protein. 1 cup of dried oats contains 11 grams of protein. They also contain 43% of your daily value of iron, 27% of your daily value of magnesium, and 26% of your daily value of zinc. Now, of course, with oats, what can you make? Oatmeal. But if that's too basic for you guys, you can grind up those oats and make oat flour, which then you can make oatmeal pancakes with, or oatmeal raisin cookies, because who doesn't love cookies? Number 3 is lentils. 1 cup of cooked lentils will provide you 18 grams of protein and also provides you with 82% of your daily value of iron, 17% of your daily value of magnesium, and 22% of your daily value of zinc. And a very simple recipe that you can make is lentil sloppy joes. And you are just in luck because I'm gonna put my recipe in the top right corner that I made. It's very barbecuey, it's got mushrooms in there, lentils. It's a very healthy and whole foods plant-based meal. So make sure to check that out after this video ends if you guys are looking for an easy recipe for lentils. Now, moving on to number 2. Number 2 is black beans. Now, 1 cup of cooked black beans contains 14 grams of protein and 50% of your daily value of iron. It also contains 22% of your daily value of magnesium and 17% of your daily value of zinc. Now, what can you make with black beans? You can make black bean and rice burritos. So you get some black beans, you get some rice, you get some salsa, you get some avocado, spice it up with whatever you guys want, wrap it up in a burrito, and you got yourself a delicious, delicious plant-based meal. And a quick tip, when you mix rice and black beans, you get a complete protein. So it's a win-win. Now let's move on to number 1. If you guys can guess this one, pause the video real quick, leave a comment down below or leave your guess down below, and I hope you guys get it right. Good luck. All right, number 1 is chickpeas. If you guys didn't know, I'm Middle Eastern, so what do you expect? Hummus runs in my blood. So chickpeas is my number 1, and kind of similar to black beans, 1 cup of cooked chickpeas contains 15 grams of protein, 59% of your daily value of iron, 19% of your daily value of magnesium, and 22% of your daily value of zinc. What can you make with chickpeas, you might ask? Well, it's very simple. You can make some hummus, which just requires you to have some chickpeas, tahini, salt, and lemon, put it in a food processor, blend it all up, and you got yourself some delicious hummus that you can put on a pita, that you can put with some mixed greens, that you can put on pretty much anything you want, because hummus is life. Another traditional meal that you can make with chickpeas is falafel. If you guys don't know what falafel is, they're basically like Middle Eastern nuggets. You can fry them, you can bake them, but they're best when they're fried, and mix them with the hummus, put them in a pita, put some greens, some pickles. You got yourself a delicious, delicious vegan meal. And last but not least, you guys can always make roasted chickpeas. All you got to do is get the chickpeas, drain them, spice them with whatever you want, put a little bit of oil. You don't have to use the oil, but it helps make them a little crispier. You can air fry them, put them in the oven, roast them. They get crunchy, so they're like a crunchy snack, because you can't really be snacking on like peanuts all day because there's too much fat in there. But chickpeas, you can snack on them all day. They're a good source of fiber, protein, and they got a ton of minerals in there. So that wraps it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that like button. It helps me out a ton, and it helps YouTube know that you guys enjoy this content, and it pushes it out to more people. That way more people can be aware of the vegan message that we are trying to spread. And if you guys did enjoy the video, consider subscribing. I share vegan recipes, food reviews, fitness videos, and vlogs. So there's a ton of vegan content on my channel, and I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you get 3 videos from me weekly. And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought of this video, and what are your top 5 favorite favorite plant-based sources. Like I said in this video, these are just my favorite ones. These aren't like the best ones or anything like that. They're just my personal favorites. But if you guys want to have a little head-to-head, have a little chronometer 5-on-5, we can put our plant-based protein sources against each other and see which ones do better on chronometer. But as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.